Alright, so we all have areas of the garage or workshop that become cluttered, but how do we resolve those areas? My aim today is to resolve this area, and by doing that I'm going to be building a small unit. The measurements are 600 by 600 and the height is approximately 920 millimeters, but that may vary. I may change that. The top of the unit I will make out of MDF, and I'll also use some scrap wood for support if I need to. Now the good thing about this unit I'm going to make is that at a later date I can add a shelf or two if I need to. So let's get on with it. The wood I'm using is just from the Orange big box store. I couldn't believe that I was able to find something that was actually straight. Wonders never cease to amaze us. I started off with building the two side frames, then later on I'll connect them up. This is also the top part of the frame, and at this moment in time I wasn't sure if I would need to use supports to strengthen the legs. You'll have to keep watching to find out if I do or not. Now that the two sections have been completed, I moved on to add the other two pieces to the top of the frame. At times like this I really do wish I had an American sized single car garage instead of this one, as there would be a lot more room to work in. If you're wondering about my drill and impact driver, the Works combi drill with hammer action is great considering its price range. I think I'd paid about 50 quid for it. However, the Bosch impact driver, absolute garbage. A lot of the time when having it set forwards, you press the trigger and you'd be lucky if it actually works. I really want to replace it, but I may have to look into reconditioned ones to save a few quid. This is what I'm referring to about the lack of space. It took a while to figure out what space would be large enough to work on. Hopefully soon this particular unit will be extended to make it longer, but if things work out the way I want, I won't be able to use it for assembly. Definitely need supports for the legs as it doesn't feel to be steady, just like me after a night out. Now I'm cutting the MDF that become the top of the unit. This piece was the original backboard for my workbench. If you want to see what it looked like, then I'll leave a link below. Whenever you're cutting MDF wood, it is essential that you wear a dust mask. You may have noticed I haven't used any glue on this project. My thought is that maybe at some time, if I do make some changes, then it'll be a lot easier just to remove the screws, as long as I don't use the impact driver, although it does seem to work better in reverse. Go figure. As someone had forgot to check if the microphone was turned on, then I suppose I'd better try to remember what was said. Reminding here that what I said earlier, that I could put a drawer here at a later date. Jeez, I do go on a bit. Basically, I'm happy with how it turned out. Makes things a little bit neater, and it's one extra surface I can dump stuff on. Literally. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't often ask this, but please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.